try that. I'm literally just sitting here googling how to plant lemon seeds. So obviously whenever I was cutting the lemons there was quite a lot of seeds that came out of it, and I was just thinking, like, because we've now started buying like a whole ton of lemons and stuff for first thing in the morning, I always had like hot water lemon, so I was kind of thinking I can surely just like grow my own lemons, right? So that's what I'm just googling at the minute. I am feeling very productive this morning. This mirror that I have behind me, I'm basically wanting to take this out to the back garden and give it a wee bit of a spray paint. As you can see, it's silver and gold. It's quite old looking, it is quite like antique-y looking. Please excuse my nails, I've took all my nails off and yeah, they're just looking a bit skanky. I'm thinking of spraying it all like gold. What do you think? This mirror was actually given to me by Kyle's mum. She wasn't actually using it anymore, so I don't think she'll mind if I spray paint it. So I have this metallic brilliant finish, a bright gold spray. Hopefully it kind of turns out something like that. With the gold that it just brings out the design a wee bit more. Oh, I freaking love it, guys. I absolutely love it. Let's see what it's like underneath. I just came back from B&M and TK Maxx. I'm actually just going to have my lunch and then I'm going to film a B&M haul. So look at how much crap I got. 3 bags. TK Maxx have all their Halloween stuff in at the minute and I love it. I love it, like all their candles and everything. I got 1, 2, 3. I got 1, 2, sorry, 3, 4. 1. Can I count today? I got 4 Halloween candles. I got this candle here. I actually think this is beautiful. Like the jar of this is absolutely gorgeous and it smells beautiful as well. Soy blend candle crafted in India. Love it. It's beautiful, by Rachel Roy. And I do think that once it's actually completely burnt, I'll clean it out and I can kind of keep this wee jar because it's beautiful. I got this candle. What sold it for me was the lid. I think that's absolutely beautiful. I have to say, like, I do like to reuse my candle things because I do make candles myself, so it just means that I can like refill them and stuff, or if I want to use it as like a wee flower pot or something, or for decor, I don't know. But this is charcoal and oud wood and it is quite nice. It's lovely. This one was actually on sale for £12 actually, and look at it. I think this would be so cool as a flower pot, like once it's done. I think it actually even says like reuse me or something, or yeah, reuse me. That's cute, I was going to. And this one is absolutely beautiful. I love it. There was so many of these. This is one of those wooden wick candles, so I'm just kind of wondering, like, does it crackle whenever it's burnt. And again, I think this is definitely going to be one of these like jars that I'm going to obviously reuse and stuff. And then I got a couple of more wee things. I got this bar of soap. Look at the name of it. Tobacco. So I have to say this was the last one that I actually smelt, because I wasn't even going to smell it, because by the name of it, tobacco, I was like, that's going to be absolutely stinking. And it smells beautiful. It smells so good. I think Kylie's even going to love it. And then I got this. I have been looking for one of these for ages. For ages, I swear. I found one. Look at it. So I was thinking that this is going to look beautiful in our ensuite, like up on the side of the sink or on the windowsill with our products on it, like say like moisturizer, face wash, soaps, or I don't know, or like a wee reed diffuser, a candle. I think this is just going to look really good. Or else I was even thinking of bringing it into our bedroom and having it up on my dressing table with a couple of its skincare products on it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. And then I got two other things. Hold on, I'm going to have to bring them in to show you. I got these wee baskets for underneath our hall table, and I think they're going to be really good for storage. But this one to start off with, and I love it. And then I got a bigger one. So usually you would see ones that actually come in a set and they're all the same, but I don't know, I wanted these to be different. But yeah, I love it. Hi guys, happy Tuesday. Happy Tuesday. I'm only after coming from the doctor's. I am going to straighten my hair, well, straighten my wig with this big straightening hairbrush. But while I'm waiting for that to heat up, I'm actually going to show you a package I got. This is a package I got from Makeup Revolution. I bought it myself, by the way. It's an order I done a couple of weeks ago. I ended up picking up these two things. So these are both serums. So I got the kojic acid raspberry ketone kojic acid raspberry ketone glucoside serum. The second one was the encapsulated resveratrol serum. What? I got a couple of cleansers. What's new? I love my cleansers. I actually picked this one up here. This is the Peach Jelly Cleansing Gel. And then I got this from XX Revolution. This one. And this is a PHA Super Cleanser. I've never actually seen this before, so I'm actually really intrigued to use it. And then I got this wee mister, an overnight dream mist, a calming lavender and essential oil facial and pillow spray, which works while you sleep. Love that. Really look forward to trying that actually, because I really am not the best sleeper, to be honest. I got this Lip Care AHA exfoliating serum, which I'm actually really intrigued about actually. It just comes in like a wee pump situation. Ooh, okay. Oh, it's not a pump actually, it's like a wee dropper. Yeah, Sally Hughes Placid. So this is a 5 acid daily exfoliant. I've had my eyes on this for such a long time. So I finally picked it up. And then lastly, I got, again, this is another product I have my eyes on for a long time, the Revolution Pro Miracle Eye Cream. So as far as I'm aware, this is like a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, only this is like the eye one. I'm not too sure, so I must actually wait and see when the face cream actually comes in stock again, but it wasn't in stock whenever I done this order, so I just picked up the eye cream. I'm so excited. I don't know if I've said to you yet. Basically, it is a bit of a coincidence that we have been having problems with our front door and our back door, but mainly our front door. And it actually turns out that we're going to be getting a brand new front door fitted and installed, and I think we're going to go on tonight. It's obviously took us a couple of months to obviously pick the door, design it, etc., and just kind of pick what we want. So I think we're going to go onto the website tonight and actually design the door and send it away, and then I think I'm actually going to vlog it with you as well. But back to the door that we have at the minute. After I finish straightening these wee bits and pieces here, I'll actually take you down the stairs and show you some wee house updates. But we have holes at the bottom of our door, not like the actual door itself, but you know the way you have your door and then you have like the wee lip bit that's actually like on the ground, like on the floor. Well, I don't know if there's something missing there, but basically like there's holes. I will be sitting in our living room and I can literally feel the draft coming in from the door and it's not a vibe. So over the past 3-4 weeks we've actually had a towel at our front door. I swear to goodness, like it's still sitting at the front door, you will see it. It's just, oh, it's too funny, like. So we obviously were kind of thinking that something has to be done here. Like we were obviously just going to get a new lip for the door or see what we could do, but it just so happened to be that I'm actually going to be collaborating with a brand. You will obviously know all about it later on in the vlog and stuff, but we're going to be getting a brand new door and I'm so excited. I have had, me and Kyle have had completely free reign in designing and picking this door and I'm so excited. So that's obviously what you're going to see us designing tonight, and it has been so hectic because we literally haven't had a clue on what to get. You know, it's such a big thing. It's not like just painting your living room or, you know, it's literally like your front door. This is our lovely front door. I have to say I do like it. I love the wood effect, I love the colour, but it's not practical whatsoever. So we've had to have this tile down here for the past, as I say, a couple of months or whatever. And I have to say the lock, like the handle, is a wee bit dodgy as well. You have to like really like force it down. But it's just a nightmare. Like, can you see the holes at the bottom here? Like, that's what I mean. It's an absolute nightmare. But yeah, and it is a wooden door, so it's not the best in terms of like heat and everything as well. So yeah, I'm just really excited, like we both are, to get like a proper composite PVC door instead of like this wooden one. I'm gonna show you the catalogue that they basically sent for me and Kyle to obviously pick and design our door. The brand I'm actually going to be working with on installing the door is COLLAB, and this is the catalogue that they sent me. They honestly have so many to choose from, like really nice modern ones to modernise your home, whereas me and Kyle are going for like the more classical look. We're going for something like this, something like that. Honestly, absolutely beautiful. The colours as well, absolutely beautiful. So this one here is like a dark grey, but even in that red, like a really nice like a burgundy red, absolutely gorgeous. Like even these doors here are really nice. You know, like that's very modern, but I don't know, it just, that's not my style. I can appreciate it and it's lovely, but yeah, it's just not my style. I do feel like the door that we have already is quite nice, but I do feel like getting this new front door, it's not only going to like modernise and just add the final touches to the front of our house. It's just going to pull it all together. I'm going to be like vlogging like the installation and everything for you. Can't wait. It's going to be so nice. So I'm literally just sitting waiting here for Kyle to come home so I can actually get it designed and sent away. Like even these ones, like these ones here are beautiful. As I was saying, like I don't like grey, but look at that door. Like I think that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. Beautiful door. What does it mean by external?
Outside.
Oh, so that's the outside. So bog oak.
Yeah, bog oak.
Oh! So the external frame colour we've picked is a bog oak, and then obviously once we pick the design of everything, it's going to come up on the corner there so we can actually see what it'll look like. Ah,
that's really good.
So that's our external frame colour. So then once we go down, our internal frame colour, like good, we still want it black on the inside. But the door style that we did pick, so let me see. There was like...
There's that one there.
There's so many of them.
It's really good that it shows the door,
Yeah.
like, on there.
So we liked these
Georgian one.
Georgian. So it was this one?
Yeah.
So that one. So external door colour, we're having it black. Oh, look! Glazing.
Did we not choose the TG8?
I quite like that.
I know that you see it.
I kind of feel like whatever we do pick, we'll like it anyway.
Yeah.
So we're just trying to figure out what design to have on our windows. What do you think? So it's either between this one or this one, because I think the glass is going to be clear. Well, I want the glass to be clear, not frosted, to get like more light coming through.
Yeah. Well, originally I picked. Click it.
This one?
Yeah, I picked that one.
Yeah, where it's just like the clear glass out in the perimeter and then like a bit of frosting in the middle.
But whenever you click on that other one, I like it.
This one?
A bit more.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Well, do I go for this one then?
Yeah, sure.
Like at the end, we are able to see like the final door with all the handles and all the wee finishing touches, and then we can go back and change bits.
Yeah.
Like this. We're now on to the glass. Like, do we want it Flemish? Will we go for Flemish? Door handles. I don't like the finger pull. I think just like the normal one.
Lever then.
Yep. And then we have obviously our colours as well. And then obviously it's kind of a wee bit of a no-brainer. We've obviously went for gold.
Yeah. Black on
But
gold.
You can obviously have black, bright chrome, brushed steel, smoky chrome. Stop laughing at the way I say steel.
Still.
White steel.
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 bread goes steel.
That's still steel. But yeah, gold. Oh, look at it. It's looking wild nice, isn't it?
Knockers.
And then we have knockers and spy holes. Let's put a spy hole on.
No, we can't be having it. A big fancy knocker.
So what was it we were wanting? One of these? Like we were wanting one of these and then one like a big knob thing.
But then you want a letter?
No, we decided on
not letterbox.
To have a letterbox. As we were saying there, we want a decorative doorknob. I love it.
What's this stuff here? Also, if you take a picture of your home, you could put that door on it and see how it looks on your home.
Yes.
Oh, that's really good.
So this is what we're looking like so far.
This is the outside.
What do you think?
Nice.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
So we'll view the inside. Yeah. I like it. I really like it.
100%, yeah.
Yeah, I love like the black wood effect. Yeah. That was really easy as well. I thought that was going to take forever. Yeah, as I was saying there, that was really easy, wasn't it? I was expecting it to take a wee bit longer, but it was really easy. So I'm now just filling out just the details, name, address, etc. Aww.
Wee doggo.
That's it. Done. Woohoo, we just got a new door.
Door design done.